Starting around 02 July 2023, Dogelon Mars essentially explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000018 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.67%. In every way that really matters, most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Elon in every way that really matters has a very most certainly all-out market cap of $96,719,920, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,371,504 in a kind of enormous manner. This most certainly makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, sort of positioning at 200 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way, which by and large is genuinely huge. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars for the most part be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner in an unobtrusive manner? Is Dogelon Mars a kind of wise venture or kind of especially worth purchasing in 2023 amazingly? Will Elon cost in every way that really matters, especially outperform its unsurpassed fundamentally high in a kind of significant manner? These in every way that really matters are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost explicitly in a real sense is supposed to sort of cross a reasonably especially normal value level of $0.00000022, the normal sort of kind of least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the sort of in every way that really matters. Current year ought to in every practical sense be $0.00000021 in an unpretentious way. Besides, Elon can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.00000024 in an essentially exceptionally significant manner, or so they thought. Dogelon Mars value expectation July 2023. Dogelon Mars cost certainly in a real sense is supposed to sort of reach between $0.00000017 to $0.00000019 in July 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Elon for the July truly remains around $0.00000019. Dogelon Mars value expectation, August 2023. Dogelon Mars cost by and large most certainly is supposed to generally reach between $0.00000019 to $0.00000020 in August 2023, while the especially normal cost of Elon for the August basically remains around $0.00000019. Dogelon Mars value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogelon Mars truly is basically most certainly anticipated to explicitly reach at a kind of all things considered least worth of $0.00000019 in September 2023 in an unobtrusive way, which really is genuinely huge. The Elon cost could especially arrive at a truly kind of most extreme worth of $0.00000021, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000020 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Dogelon Mars value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars truly is supposed to in a real sense sort of be at around an extremely least of $0.00000020, which generally is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars cost can generally arrive at a really limit of $0.00000022, with the typical cost of $0.00000021 in United States dollars in a significant way. Dogelon Mars value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars especially is supposed to for the most part be at around a kind of really least of $0.00000020, by and large truly, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars cost can sort of certainly arrive at a by and large limit of $0.00000023, with the for the most part in every practical sense Normal cost of $0.00000021 in United States dollars. Extremely further appearance. How might Elon cost certainly in a real sense outperform its unequaled high? Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Elon value gauge December 2023. The Dogelon Mars estimate for December 2023 expects that the Elon may generally arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000024 with a very least cost of around $0.00000021, which especially is very huge. Discussing the sort of essentially normal value Elon can truly stretch around $0.00000022 for December. Extremely further appearance how Dogelon Mars value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars by and large for the most part is supposed to in every way that really matters, be at around an exceptionally in every practical sense, least of $0.00000020 in a kind of genuinely significant manner. Dogelon Mars past value examination in the decently kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been explicitly diminished by 1.47%. In its certainly current worth in an exceptionally significant manner. Assuming we really analyze the truly current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap by and large in a real sense is likewise down, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars truly is confronting a sort of especially tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, exhibiting how starting around 02 July 2023, Dogelon Mars entirely is exchanging at $0.00000018 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.67% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they in every practical sense thought, which is genuinely huge. The Elon sort of is down to nearly 1.71%. In the kind of most recent 7 days in an essentially significant manner, the coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially past beautiful for the most part couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for essentially at the same time. We don't really feel that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, which certainly truly is very critical. Dogelon Mars value figure 2023 facts. What will basically be Dogelon Mars certainly worth in 2023 in a quite huge manner. The Elon cost in every practical sense, in a real sense is determined to in every practical sense, arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.00000024, with kind of least cost of $0.00000021 toward the finish of 2023. Entirely all plans and purposes further appearance how the coin basically explicitly is as yet showing taking a chance with outline